Back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide dock on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! By default, the dock is always visible at the bottom of screen of your Mac. Sometimes taking up important screen real estate, especially if you're using MacBook Neo, MacBook Air, or MacBook Pro with 13-inch screen. If you don't like having the dock permanently on your screen, you can easily set it to hide or show automatically. So how to do it is very simple. First of all, you can go to your system preferences on your MacBook. You can open your settings, your system preferences. After that, you can go to dock and menu bar. You can select on that. And from here, from these settings, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option automatically hide and show the dock. You can just enable this feature. You can check this. Now you can see your dock on your screen is automatically hide, and if you want to show it, you can just hover your cursor at the bottom of your screen like this, and the dock is show up. It's very simple, right? Like this. So you have full screen, and if you want to access your dock, you can just hover your cursor at the bottom of your screen, and you can open your dock. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide dock on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.